They have failed to master the art of recording.
Akati tujja kuwabako n'abannamateeka n'ab'enganda z'abantu bano naye nga kiwunzikidde omulamuzi asazeewo nti agenda kuwalizibwa okubanga agatta emisango ebiri ogwa Aaron Kizza ne Kizza Besigye n'awamu n'Abel Kamulagala sokulaba nga bw'aba awaliwo judgment oba ruling ku nsonga eno esobozibaka kubanga akizudde nti kumpi facts oba amazima ku misango gino byagala kufaanagana so agala nnyo okumenyeka era nga naawe ensonga nti okusinziira ku bunkenke obwetoolera ku musango guno nti oba oli ayagadde akendeeze oba abenga awolokosa emitima gy'Abannayuganda ne bannansi agezaho okugoberera ensonga zino era nga abadde Attorney General oba gavumenti esalesale paka yaleero ku ssaawa obasoba ssaawa 11 nga awaddeyo empozaayo mu musango gwa Aaron Kizza then olunaku lw'enkya sayidi ya Aaron Kizza nayo era nga emaze okuwaayo okuddamu kwabwe then awo n'agamba nti obutasooka mbuzi omwezi nga 25 ayaba amaze okuwa ensalawoyo musango ku nsonga zino zonna zonna naye nga ensonga esinga okuba amateeka aba Kizza bagamba nti gyali oluvannyuma lwa kooti maaso kubanga yasazaamu kooti eno kiraga nti eneri yasalawo byonna byonna zifuufu ku lufuso tasobola kuba nga asaavinga kibonerezo ku kooti etaliwo mateeka era kooti yajungulwa. Yo saidi ya Kizza Besigye ebadde emaze okuwaayo neewozaako kwabwe era nga bo balina bulimizi kufuna ruling ku nsonga eno. Tugeze okunoonya bannamateeka n'ab'enganda nemwogerako eri bannamawulire tulabe ate bo kyebategeeza eggwanga n'ensi.
alina okubaayo
wakamera aluwa wakamera aluwa yes okay tulikiria tugende maaso abala bajje
because the writ of habeas corpus, which in simple terms is a prerogative order which can only be given by court in exceptional circumstances like this, where one's liberty has been curtailed without any justifiable or lawful cause. It's a matter which has to be disposed of expeditiously. And when you look at the provisions of Article 23, read together with Article 44, this right to habeas corpus is non-derogable. It comes into play in emergency situations like this, where one's liberty is curtailed and their life is in danger. So Dr. Besigye was brought together with Obed Butare this morning under very unreasonable circumstances. There was an order that he be returned to Nzira without a valid remand warrant. Yes, we appreciate that court ought to have listened to all of us, both sides, before rendering the decision. But we made a good case for quick intervention, and we thought court would come up with the declaratory orders today about the legality of the doctor's incarceration or the curtailment of his liberty. Unfortunately, it has not happened. Yes, we have made our submissions. We are grateful that the judge has listened to us, and we also appreciate the fact that he interrogated the circumstances under which Dr. Besigye and other prisoners of conscience have been detained in total violation of the Supreme Court order or directive. Unfortunately, we have not got a decision today. We are walking out from the court premises without a remedy today. So we expected a decision to be delivered today. It should be instant. And we brought out all the relevant authorities. That would require that, honestly speaking, the justice of the case required that today there should be a remedy, there should be a decision, and it should be instant. Unfortunately, that is not the case. And to make matters worse, we have not been given any idea or clue as to when the decision will be given. We have been directed that tomorrow we write to the judge requesting for the date when the decision will be delivered. It's really baffling, because at least if he was not in position to give the judgment today, probably would have indicated that give me today or tomorrow then I'll deliver the ruling within the course of tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. That was never to be the case. You see, you cannot again curtail one's liberty, which are duly guaranteed under the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, on account of the government red tape, bureaucracy. You heard their flimsy arguments. The state, the Attorney General, they are saying they are exchanging the communications, the letter to the principal judge, a letter to the Chief Justice, a letter to the CDF, a letter to the Attorney General, a letter to the DPP. They are just still exchanging the communication. They are hiding under red tape, under bureaucracy, to continue violating the rights of Dr. Besigye and other prisoners of conscience. We thought the court would bring that about, that would stop that kind of impunity. Unfortunately, it would appear court developed fit of delay and had to delay the delivery of the judgment. So we are going to retreat and see the next course of action, how we shall